In the iOS 18 update, users can hide any number of third-party and Apple apps, excluding some of Apple's native apps. Here's Carly. Watch my previous video on how to do that apps won't hide on iPhone given in the video description. To unhide the app, move to the app library by swiping on the right and find the app library folder. Now, tap on Hidden Folder and verify with your Face ID and Touch ID. If not enabled, then use your iPhone lock screen passcode. Now, you can see the hidden apps. Tap on Apps to use app with Face ID authentication. To unhide the app, touch and hold on the app icon and see option for Don't Require Face ID. Verify with your Face ID to unhide the app and remove it from the hidden folder. Now, you can see this app in the app library only but not on the home screen. To move the app on the home screen, touch and hold on the app icon and select Add to the home screen. Now your app is available on home screen and app library, like before. Hope you liked this video. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos and comment for more help.